I love this area of London. I love London. I think all of us do. And for me to, and the place that I used to come with my kids, or even when I was younger, maybe even before I had kids, was Piccadilly and Leicester Square and all the movie theatres. So I couldn't tell actually properly. I'd like to go back at night and see it quietly. But it's really nice to be part of a statue, especially with Kajol, and especially for Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, on Leicester Square in front of one of the movie theatres where I guess all of us have watched films and grown.
And all of us we have had film screen there as well.
Yeah, we've had film screenings, I've had popcorn, I've had ice cream there, I've hung around with the kids.
It's a little unreal.
Yeah,
it's a little unreal. It's a little like, it's so,
unbelievable.
It's a little unbelievable.
I'm still not sure. I hope they keep it there. I'm like, they're going to take it away from me.
I have to click a picture with my kids in front of it. Yeah. I think it's been 30 years, and I think we're happy to say that it is the longest running film not in India only, in the world. And it's actually gone into the Guinness Book of World Records, etc. So super kicked to be part of it. I don't know whether we can take credit for it. We'd like to. I'm sure Shah Rukh will, but
and rightly so. Let's not say no. But honestly, for Adi, for Mr. Yash Chopra, for Kajol, me, there were so many wonderful actors. Yeah. We didn't realize the magnitude of this film. That's the most beautiful part of it, because we really shot it like a holiday. We just kept doing it, the songs.
All of it.
And for me,
in fact, we were discussing it, in fact, that when we hear the music, we're like, oh my God, what? It's like, oh my God, it had really good music. We had fabulous music. And when we played it on the bus, nobody complained. How about that?
Yeah.
Nobody said that, oh, put off that music or anything like that. So,
it's quite unbelievable, of course. I think very fortunate to have been part of a cinema like this, and absolutely and completely had no knowledge it would be like this. I think none of us...
I don't think we planned for it at all.
No, understood.
We definitely did not plan for this.
No idea this would be this. To be honest, I think a fun trip of 30-40 days when we made this film. We made it very fast, especially in Switzerland and England. Just quite a freewheeling shooting, handhelds, and especially here in Leicester Square. I remember we didn't even tell anyone. We were just doing one quick scene and getting away from it. So yes, I think it's a moment of pride for Indian cinema. And I think rightly so in England, which started off this trend of Indian films being recognized the world over now. I think so. The beginning point is UK.
I think that DDLJ has become a kind of a touchstone for Indians living abroad, and for all Indians who come abroad. Really, it's become like a kind of we have to go see that. I mean, that's the one thing, and they see it and they recognize it, and there's a familiarity and there's a pull towards it. So I'm hoping that everyone feels that little bit touch of home when they see it.